Hello, good day everyone, and welcome to another video tutorial on how to create book cover for Amazon KDP. And this is the part 2 of the video. If you haven't watched the first part, I encourage you to do so by watching the first part. Check for the link to the video in the description below. So in the last part we stopped at creating our book cover size using KDP calculator. So now we are going to continue from where we stopped. All right, I'll first of all go to my Canva, and once I go to my Canva, remember the size of the book cover that I created must tally with the size of the pages that I'm going to create. So now for me to create my front and back cover, I can create customized size. I need to create, okay, let me change it to inches. The size of the front cover should be 6 by 9, and then I should just click create design. So now after update, Canva will try to suggest some templates for you, but that doesn't matter. If you want to use any of the templates, you can take it and edit or customize it to your taste. And if it doesn't want to use it, you can just take it and you can start from scratch. So to save time, let's assume I want to use this as my template, as my cover. Assume this is the front cover. I can customize anything. Let me say happy winter. Let's say this is a notebook that I'm creating. I can just give it a name, notebook, and I can reduce the size. So now it's okay. I can adjust as I want it to be. All right, so now let's assume this is just my front cover page, happy winter notebook. Okay, and remember I have to create the back cover. Let's say the back cover, for me to create the back cover, all I need to do is to add a page, an empty page. So this is the second page, which is going to be my back cover. I can customize it if I want, and I can leave it if I don't want to write anything. It can just be a blank since it is a notebook. If I want to write anything, I can write, or if I want to add anything, maybe I want to add winter, anything that has to do with winter, I can just search under elements winter and then search. So after searching for winter, I can take whatever looks like winter to me. I can add this and I can zoom it to make it reach the end. So I can put it at the middle, just to be sure that everything is at the middle. So now I can leave it like this, or I can so now maybe I just want to leave it like this, or if I want to add any text, I can add. For example, maybe I want to add maybe by saying have a nice summer holiday. So maybe I just want to write this text. I can bring it down here a little bit. I can change the size. I can change the color by clicking on color. Maybe I want it to be red. All right, so if this is okay for me, I can then leave everything like that. Okay, let's assume this is just my back cover. This is the front cover, this is the back cover. So all I need to do now is to just download it, and I can save them as image image format files. So the images are downloaded now. Once they are downloaded, I can continue from where I stopped. So you can see now that it is downloaded, saved to my gallery. So I'll now go back to my downloaded templates. If you can remember, in the first video I show you how I downloaded my templates, which includes the cover page of the cover page, the cover page size dimension that I wanted to use to create my KDP book cover, and this is the image. So now the overall dimension of my cover is going to be 12.7 times 9.25. By this, I should now go back to Canva and create a new design that is 12.7 times 9.25 in dimension, and then upload the downloaded images of front and back cover. So what I mean is that now I will have to go back to Canva again. After going to Canva, I will create new. After creating new, I will create customize. I'll make sure that the units I'm using for measurement is inches, and then I'll input my measurement 12.70. Is it 75 or 0 times 9.25? I can confirm that by going back to the image. 12.70 times 9.25. Yeah, I'm correct. So now I will just create design. So once the page is loaded properly, then I need to do is to upload. Click upload to upload my downloaded template from the Amazon KDP calculator, and I can scroll down to go back to the image. It has gone back a little bit. Downloaded image, I think this is it. So now I'll import it into the design. Once it is imported properly, I can then once it is uploaded properly, I guess it was not uploaded. I have to go back to do it again. So now it is being uploaded. Once it is uploaded, I can now bring it on the design. So now remember, this image that I just uploaded on the Canva design is the downloaded template, and I need to elongate it to fill in this space. So now everything is filling perfectly. So what remains now is for me to upload my design front and back cover on this design. So I can click plus button, and then I can click upload media, and these are my designs that I created. Upload again, I will upload the back cover. So I can now put on these designs on the image. This is the back cover, and which again, this is the front cover. So now what I need to do now is to make sure that the front cover image and the back cover image are extended to reach this margin of the cover page, to make sure that it has reached the safe area, it has covered the safe area. If there is anything that has gone beyond the safe area, the cover design will not be printed properly, and those things that goes beyond the cover page will be likely removed when printing your book. So I have to extend the cover to make sure that it reaches the margin of the book. Yes, I'm just trying to do that by everything must tally. So this one too, I have to make sure that everything tallies. It's likely because I'm on mobile. So now I can say that we are good to go in this area. So now what remains is the middle, and this middle area, if you can recall very well, is the area that is referred to as spine area. Is the area that is referred to as spine area. So to cover the spine area, I can add a shape, maybe adding a rectangle, or I can then elongate it to reach the end. I can then put it at the middle. I can change the color as well to anyhow I want it. So I can now drag it to reach the end. Doesn't centered properly. So after making sure that everything is centered, then I can change the color. Maybe I want it to be red, maybe I want it to be yellow, or maybe I want it to be blue, even black. I can put it white, anything I want it to look like. Maybe I want it to put, let me put blue. Alright, let me even leave it black. So now we have arranged everything properly, and we can now go ahead and download our cover. So this is your cover. This is going to be your cover, a complete image of your cover. This is the front, this is the back. So all you need to do now is to download it. Remember, if you are publishing a paperback, your download of a cover should be in PDF format, and I suggest using PDF print if you are using Canva. So once your cover is properly downloaded, you can go to Canva and upload it properly. So that is how to create a book cover, and you can as well give it a try. If you have any challenge, let me know in the comments below, in the comment section below. And if you have enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe, like my video, and stay tuned for more educative videos. All right, thank you. Our cover is downloaded. We can go back and check it in our gallery, where